Hello guys, welcome to the channel. So in this today's episode, we will see that how we can debug that app. So open that project in your and IDE, either in a VS Code or Android Studio. Just open that, and we go to that run. And if the emulator is not open, so you can go to that pixel. There is no device, and you can check that out. And after that, uh, you can create an emulator of your own choice, and after the emulator is created and it's running, so you can go to that run and you can start the debugging. It will take 5 minutes. So as we see that the app has already been debugged. So if you like this content, so please do like and share.